Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to import graphics in Ezcad2. First, open the drawing software. Create a new blank document. So, you can create graphics here, or import your existing graphics. Let's create a new graphic. For example, this is the graphic we want to mark. Select it and enlarge it by 1000 times. Export it to the desktop. Remember to save it in PLT format. PLT format is the format that our marking software can recognize after exporting. A PLT format file that we just exported will appear on the desktop. Open the software. There is an option to input vector files. You can also input vector files from here. You will see the vector file formats supported by our marking software, AI.dex. Find the PLT format file we just saved and open it. Resize it back to its original size and center it. Now, the graphic has been imported. Fill this graphic and adjust its power, frequency, speed, and pulse width. Alright, that's all.